places don't just offer a home, they offer a life you never imagined possible. Nested at the entrance of Black River Gorges National Park, where elegance meets nature. Welcome to Matala. An exclusive and fully secured IRS estate on the west coast of Mauritius, accessible to foreign buyers. We are here on 45 acres of tropical landscape designed for those who seek privacy above all. A spacious 3-bedroom ensuite family home, bright and well designed. The kitchen is fully equipped and modern, totally connected in an open space in the living room and the dining room that we see here on the terrace. The terrace opens on the veranda and a private pool, ideal to enjoy as a family during weekends. Here in this beautiful garden, well maintained and directly connected to nature, as we can see behind us, the Black River Gorges National Park. This estate is found in Matala, at the entrance of the Black River Gorges National Park. It is a secured, gated community where you enjoy the peace and tranquility of the space. 3 minutes away only from the center of Black River. Purchasing this property makes you eligible to the permanent residency permit. This is a great opportunity to purchase a family home in one of the most sought-after areas on the west. Do not hesitate to contact me for viewing at Luxury Listings. See you soon. Bye.